lovelies, I'm Megha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Creation Knows No Bounds, and today I'm here with a very special video on how to make budget friendly Rakhis. So today's video will be totally based on how to make some super cute and aesthetic Rakhis for your brothers. So I think this video will be loved by everyone. So without wasting any time, let's get started with making some cute and aesthetic Rakhis. And I am very excited to make some aesthetic Rakhis for my own brothers as well. So let's get started. So we are starting with our first Rakhi, and we need all this, and this threads. So in the beginning we will start with the children's Rakhi. So let's start the process. First I'll be using this glue gun, and with the help of that, here I will be placing the thread now only, because I don't want it to get spoiled afterwards. So I'll use this Rakhi Ara 2 threads, and I'll be placing here like this, and here I'll give some other glue so that it sticks nicely. Now I'll place something here. So I have bought all this from market, the stickers to stick here. Here are some of the stickers, and here I'll put this bigger one. You can see here I have put this one, and how beautiful it is looking just by adding these simple things here. And our first Rakhi will be somewhat like this. So I will leave it like this, and with the same way I'll make this Rakhi as well. As you can see, this Rakhi is also done. So here we have made 2 Rakhis with this as the same. So this is our first Rakhi. Now we will move on to our second Rakhi. Second Rakhi, we will be using these white flowers. As we know, these flowers we all have in our house, so we can reuse this to make an amazing Rakhi, as I will show you right now. So here I have taken 2 flowers, that is for this petals like this, and I'll stick all this together to make one piece, and then I'll be start working with this. We'll be taking this pink ribbon. I have bought this from the local market, and I'll just take it this much amount I needed, that much I will take. So this much I'll take, and I'll cut it. Now I'll take this, fold it, like this, and then I will cut. And I'll get the shapes, as we can see. Now I'll be sticking these flowers over here. Here I am using a pink ribbon and white flower, so I will be using this stone. I'll place it in the middle, so I'll quickly take it out. I'll take one single stone from here, and then I'll be placing it in between. And as you can see, it is now only looking simple and sober and beautiful one. Now here I will be placing these small stones, golden stone. It will be looking nice with this combination. So I'll quickly put the stones. So this is our second Rakhi and it is looking like this, so beautiful. Now you can see this is looking so nice here, right? This is our fourth Rakhi and here we will be using this two petals and the stones again, and then we will make our fourth Rakhi. Again with the help of this glue gun, I'll stick this above this. You can see here I have stick this bead in between this flower petal, and now I'll stick another beads around this. Here you can see I have stick the beads around this. As you can see here I have stick another beads, a layer of another beads, and now it's ready. And here I'll place the ribbon. Quickly I'll place the ribbon now. Just see how beautiful the Rakhi is looking. So beautiful. Now it is ready. Let's move on to our fifth Rakhi. Now we are in our fifth Rakhi, and for this I will be using this cardboard. So let's see how I'll use this cardboard to make an aesthetic Rakhi. Here this design is ready. I have make it, and here is another design which I have made, and now we'll stick behind the ribbons and then it will be ready. Let's quickly put on the ribbons. So as you can see this Rakhis, it's now totally completed, and I have stuck this thing behind this, and this thing I have stuck, and this total thing I have done from this. I have bought it from the local market and it does not cost much. It costed me around 10 rupees for this whole thing. So it looks nice when we stick these things in the Rakhi. It gives more valuability to these things and increases its looks. It looks so nice after adding this. Before it was looking so simple and now it's looking aesthetic one, as you can see in the both. So now it's completely done. Let's move on to our next Rakhi. So here I have taken 5 wool, 5 different colors, and with this I will make a pom-pom ball, and with that I'll make my next Rakhi. So now I'll quickly make this pom-pom with the help of these 5 ribbons. So let's quickly do it. So here you can see I have made this pom-pom, and I'll keep it this much big so that it looks nice. And like other things, I'll just simply put those stickers in the middle of this because I want it to be the same type of thing. So I'll quickly put the stickers to decorate it. So you can see this aesthetic Rakhi has been done, and I have made this, and it is looking very beautiful by adding just only this few things into this Rakhi. So now it's ready, and this one I have made for my own brother, and now it's ready. So for our next Rakhi I will be using this clay. I have painted it already with white, and now I'll paint it with some different colors and make some and write something on top of this. So in both the sides I have painted it white, and now it's ready. As you can see I have made the holes as well. So I'll quickly paint this, and then I'll write what I have to write in between this. Now as you can see I have colored all the 4 things, all the 4 clays which I have made out of the clay, and I have colored it, and simply adjust I will put the threads in between the loops, the holes I have made, in two I'll use yellow, in two I'll use red. So as you can see, my Rakhi is almost done. Here I have written, first one I have written bhai, second one I have written brother, third bhai in English, and the fourth one I have written bro with a mustache in it. And then I've just made little things above the writing. Just I need to varnish this, and I'll put some beads here so that it looks much more beautiful. So I'll quickly put the beads and then it will be done. So our Rakhi will be somewhat like this. As you can see, I have just put 3 beads and it is really looking so beautiful and aesthetic one. And this I have made for one of my brother. So as you can see, I have completed doing the Rakhis. So as you can see, it's really looking very beautiful and nice. Now I have to sell some customized Rakhis because they have to be sold. Those are for orders. Now I'll quickly pack them up. So here are all the Rakhis I have made. Some are not there because I have sold them already. It have to be sent so that it reaches it on the day of when they needed them. So here are all the Rakhis left. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Now we will meet in our next video. Stay tuned to see my next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Bye bye.